Read the problem. As you see the problem, we have given the magnitude of vector u is radical 3 and the magnitude of vector v is 1 and the angle between the two vectors is pi over 6. Now, what the problem says, find the angle between the sum and the difference of the two vectors. The angle between the vector u plus v and u minus v. So the angle between two vectors, we know that the dot product of the two vectors u plus v dot u minus v is magnitude of u plus v, magnitude of u minus v, cosine of the angle between the two. Let's make it cos alpha. Then apply the property, distributive property of dot product over addition. We have seen this. The dot product of the two will be, look, u dot u, magnitude of u square. U dot minus v, v dot u. That will be cancelled out. So minus v dot minus v, magnitude of v square, is equal to magnitude of u plus v, magnitude of u minus v cos alpha. We are looking for angle alpha, the angle between u plus v and u minus v. We consider here alpha as an angle of the two vectors. So looking for alpha. Then we have magnitude of v, we have magnitude of u, magnitude of v. So what remains? What's u, magnitude of u plus v? What's magnitude of u minus v? So we have to calculate this value separately. Look, magnitude of u plus v square means u plus v dot u plus v. Apply distributive property here. Is equal to u dot u, magnitude of u square, plus u dot v, v dot u, 2 times u dot v, plus v dot v, magnitude of v square. Now what's u dot v? Magnitude of u, magnitude of v, cos the angle between the two. Here you have pi over 6, cos pi over 6. So magnitude of u, radical 3 square, 3, plus 2 times magnitude of u, radical 3, magnitude of v, 1, cosine of the angle between the two, u and v, pi over 6, cos pi over 6, plus magnitude of v square, 1 square, 1, is equal to cos pi over 6, cos 30, radical 3 over 2. So 3 plus 2 times radical 3 times 1, 1 times 1, no effect here, times radical 3 over 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Radical 3 times radical 3, 3. 2 cancel 2. So 3 plus 3 plus 1. That is 7. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. This is the value of magnitude of u plus v square. Similarly, magnitude of u minus v square. The magnitude of u minus v square. That is u minus v dot u minus v. Then when we distribute dot products, u dot u, magnitude of u square, minus v dot u dot minus v, minus 2 times dot u dot minus 2 times u dot v, minus v dot minus v plus magnitude of v square. Then magnitude of u square, magnitude of u radical 3, when we square it, it will be 3, minus 2 times u dot v. Here we perform u dot v. What we got? But this is minus. So minus 2 times radical 3 times radical 3 over 2. So 2 cancel 2, it becomes radical 3 times radical 3 over 2. 2 times magnitude of u, magnitude of v, cos the angle between the two vectors, pi over 6, radical 3 over 2, plus magnitude of v square, that is 1. Then 2 cancel 2, radical 3 times radical 3, 3, 3 minus 3, 0, plus 1, that is 1. Now magnitude of u plus v square, 7, magnitude of u minus v square, 1. But we are looking for magnitude of u plus v. So magnitude of u plus v will be radical 7. So this is radical 7 times magnitude of u minus v square is 1, means magnitude of u minus v will be 1. So times 1 cos alpha is equal to what's magnitude of u square? This square, 3, minus 1 square, 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 is equal to radical 7 cos alpha. Divide both sides by radical 7. Then cos alpha is equal to 2 over radical 7. Looking for alpha, the angle between the two vectors. Alpha is cos inverse of 2 over radical 7. This is our answer. I would like to thank you for being the family of Math Mindset. Subscribe the channel.